channel. As you can see, I am filming outdoors today. You're probably going to hear all the birds. It is mating season out here, so the birds are just going crazy. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please hit that subscribe button if you like this channel and you like the content. Tap the notification button so you can get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, thank you so much for your loyalty to my channel. So today it's a little bit different. I have a new box to my channel called Wild Spirit. I was so excited to get this box. I saw it on my Facebook feed. I checked it out. I looked at boxes from like last September, and it's kind of like an American themed box. It has earrings, it had candles, it had all the stuff that I liked, and I was so excited to unbox it on my channel. I even printed out, you could order it through them, or you can even order it through Crate Joy, which I order a lot of my boxes through. And each month you get 5 to 7 cool items that we handpick and send you for the low prices we negotiate with these awesome vendors. Free shipping and replacement policy. Their replacement policy is every item in every box can be replaced if needed. So I thought, how awesome is that? If you didn't like anything in the box, you really can get a new box, and they will replace it with free shipping. So every item in every box is guaranteed. And I thought, this is great. So I went on the website and I looked at the reviews, and somebody had asked if they were going to come out with a coupon. And they said, and of course this was last year, and they said in February they would come out with a coupon. Well, I ordered this, I think the end of March, and I didn't see a coupon code. So I asked again. And because with everything that's going on, they didn't answer me. And I thought, no biggie. I was excited about the box. I'll order it anyway. And let me tell you, I ordered it like on the 27th of March. I got it like maybe 3-4 days later. So I'm thinking, this is quick shipping. How great is this? So I'm a little bit behind on all my boxings, as most of you that watch me know. So I just decided I was going to take a peek in the box and see what I got. I opened the box and I was so disappointed. There was only 4 items in the box, not the 5 to 7. And I had opened it with actually the girl who liked it on Facebook. Is a friend of mine that lives nearby, and I showed her and I go, can you believe what's in this box? And so I immediately went to the website to try to email them to let them know that I was disappointed and maybe I can get a new box, because I didn't like any of the items. And I didn't see an email. So all I saw was where you can review the box, which I really didn't want to give them a bad review in front of everybody. I would have preferred to email them. So I did the review, and the next morning when I went to check, then I saw in little itty bitty words where you can contact them. So I contacted them, and you leave your email, and I pretty much said that I was disappointed. Can you please send me a new box? I reviewed any other box but the one I got. Any other month I would take. And that was like on a Monday. Did not hear back. But that afternoon they responded to my review, and of course they were not happy with it. I am going to leave their link below. If you want to check out my review and their response, you can feel free to do that. And the reason I'm going through all this lengthiness is I don't do drama on my channel. I try to give good reviews. If I don't like something, I'll just either, gift it, give it away, do whatever. But I paid $37 for this box. $37 is pricey for a box. So on Monday I emailed them, I didn't hear back. So Thursday I re-emailed them, I didn't hear back. So on the following Monday or Tuesday I emailed them again, I did not hear back. So this is the following Saturday that I'm posting this. So I never heard back from them. So after I unbox this, I would appreciate if you would leave your comments. Because I got this through Cratejoy, I am going to email Cratejoy to let them know not how disappointed I was in the box, because we're all different in our taste, but how disappointed I was in their customer service. The fact that they could respond to my review so quickly, but after 3 attempts they can't respond to my email was very disappointing. Again, I spent $37 to purchase this box and unbox it on my channel, and they can't even get back to me. And again, I printed out where every item can be replaced. I know we're going through some tough times, but not to respond to an email, unacceptable. So I'm going to go ahead and open the box. I am not going to discourage you from checking out their link or their website and purchasing this box for yourself, because I would never do that. I am just saying it's not 5 to 7 items, and if they couldn't get one of the items because of everything that's going on, they could credit you, they could replace it with something from their past boxes. There's just no excuse. So with all my lengthy jibber-jash, let's get into it. So as I said, they have like earrings, candles, dishes, scarves, little like jewelry tray dishes. So it comes like this. I don't know if all the boxes are this tiny or not. And I opened it up and it comes like this. I did not take anything out of the packaging that it came in. So this was the April card, and this is what it looks like, and these are the 4 items on the back that came in the box. And the first thing, without taking it out, is an eye mask, and it says, it's a sleep mask, I need space, and it's got like the moon on there. So it's cute, not something that I need. And this eye mask, the sleep mask, retails for $6. Again, a $37 box, and they're putting in a $6 item. Okay, and then the next thing was Unicorn at Heart. Looks like it's got a whale on it, and it's a pair of socks. I wear socks, I think they're cute. I get them in a lot of my subscription boxes. I would wear them. Not a bad thing to put in the box, so really no complaints on the socks. And they retail for $7. Now, had I gotten 7 items and I got a pair of socks, I wouldn't be upset. I got 4 items. Now, the next thing is Coco Loco, I can't pronounce it, Maori pendant. This is what it looks like. I don't know if the glare, if you can see it. And it's got this little string on the back, something maybe a teenager might wear, not something that I would wear. It's fishhook spiral twist dragon, but again, maybe something a younger person would wear, not something I would wear. And it says each necklace is hand carved and unique and comes with a description card. So there is a description card inside, and it says it retails for $22. Okay, again, if I could exchange it, I would. And the last thing just kind of floored me. This is the Divine Portal Oracle It's cards, and they retail for $25. A wonderful pocket-sized oracle deck, perfect for taking on your travels. In creating this deck, I connected with my spirit guides and the divine, channeling the energy into each piece of art. Since I didn't open it, I'm not sure what kind of cards they are. If they're a deck of cards, if they're spirit cards. Again, not something I would. Now, I did watch Hi Noelle. She's another YouTuber. She gets this box, and I just saw it a few days ago. And she saw that we were getting these in the box. And after a couple times, she got a hold of them and she requested she get something else and not these cards. And she got a beautiful scarf. So that was everything that was in my $37 box. I got these cards, the socks again, not that disappointed in, this necklace, a little disappointed, and this mask. So I did not get 5 to 7 pieces, and according to this, it retails for $47, $53. These 4 pieces retail for $60. As all of you know, I do a lot of unboxings. I pay $15, I pay $50. Never have I paid $37 and been so disappointed in a box. If they would have answered my email and sent me any one of the other boxes that I saw, I would have been fine. But I just don't know what to say. I'm kind of speechless. So please, if you watch this video, just let me know. Nothing like, I know I'm kind of being negative, but just let me know if you would have been happy with this box, what you thought of each piece. And again, I'm going to leave the link through Cratejoy of this box. You could read the reviews. You can look at all the past boxes. That's what I based ordering this box on. You could read the review that I wrote and the comments that they said to my review. But I really need your help. Maybe I just went off the deep end. Maybe it's just because I'm locked up. I don't know. But as always, thank you so much for watching, and you guys have an awesome day.